Hello everyone, Ojisan here. Just landed in Nagoya and don't want to waste time? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to get from Nagoya Chubu Centrair Airport to Nagoya Station. Step by step, no confusion. Right now, I've just exited the customs area and I'm in the International Arrival Lobby Terminal 1. This is what it looks like when you come out. From here, turn left and follow the clear signs for train or Nagoya Station. Japan's signage is excellent, so just stay calm and follow the arrows. In this video, I'm using the Meitetsu mSky Limited Express, which is the fastest option. This train takes only 28 minutes from the airport to Meitetsu Nagoya Station. No transfers, no stress. Once you reach this large open space, you're at the access plaza. This is where the Meitetsu Railway operates all airport trains. First step, buy your mSky ticket at the ticket machines. Use the leftmost machine and before anything else, switch the language to English. Important point here, mSky trains are all reserved first class seats, so you need two tickets, a basic fare ticket 880 yen and a mSky reserved seat ticket 450 yen. That makes the total cost of 1,430 yen one way from the airport to Nagoya Station. After purchasing, you'll receive two tickets, one small ticket, one larger ticket. Inside the gate, you'll see three platforms, 1, 2, and 3. For the mSky Limited Express, go to platform 1. Platform 2 and 3 are for slower local trains. At the ticket gate, insert only the small ticket. Do not insert the large one, that's your seat and car number. And don't forget to take your ticket back after the gate opens. Once the train arrives, check your car number, enter and store your luggage. There are large luggage spaces at the front and back of each car. now, just sit down, relax, and enjoy a smooth, fast ride straight into the city. After 28 minutes, you'll arrive at Meitetsu Nagoya Station. Go upstairs to exit the station. After exiting, go across the street and you will reach JR Nagoya Station. From there, you can take the Shinkansen to other cities or use the subway to explore Nagoya. That's it for today. I hope this video makes your arrival in Nagoya easier and stress-free. If this helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Japan travel tips and real-world guides. And as always, may you have joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.